camera. No microphone. No editing skills. I built a faceless YouTube channel from scratch using only free AI tools, and it actually started getting views. Here is exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can do the same thing starting today. The idea behind going faceless: a lot of people dream about starting a YouTube channel, but many never take the first step because they believe they must appear on camera. The thought of recording yourself can be intimidating. Some people are naturally shy, others feel uncomfortable about their appearance, and many simply do not have a good camera, lighting setup, or recording space. These concerns often become excuses that prevent people from even trying. What many beginners fail to realize is that showing your face is not a requirement for success on YouTube. In fact, countless successful channels have built massive audiences without ever revealing who they are. Documentary channels, history channels, finance explainers, motivational videos, and compilation channels focus on delivering value through information, storytelling, visuals, and editing rather than personal appearances. Viewers care more about the quality of the content than the face behind it. Today, creating professional videos is easier than ever thanks to artificial intelligence. AI tools can help generate scripts, create voiceovers, produce visuals, and even assist with video editing. This means that almost anyone can build a channel with little or no upfront investment. Once I understood this, my mindset completely changed. Instead of focusing on what I lacked, I focused on what I could create. I chose a niche, stayed consistent, and used free tools to streamline the process. Within a few weeks, I had a growing channel filled with professional-looking videos, all without spending a single rupee. Picking the right niche: the niche is everything. If you pick wrong, no amount of AI tools will save you. I started with a general facts channel, and it went nowhere because the competition was brutal and the audience was too broad. Then, I switched to a specific sub-niche, and things started to move. The rule is simple: go specific. The more specific your niche, the less competition you face and the more loyal your audience becomes. Use Google Trends or YouTube Search Autocomplete to find what people are actively searching. Type in a broad topic and look at the suggestions that pop up. Those are real searches from real people. Pick something with demand, but without massive channels dominating it already. Once your niche is locked in, everything else becomes easier because you know exactly who you are creating for. Writing scripts with ChatGPT: every great video starts with a great script, and this is where AI changed my workflow completely. I use ChatGPT, the free version, to generate my scripts. The key is giving it a specific prompt. I do not just say write a YouTube script about money. I say write a YouTube script for a 10-minute video targeted at young beginners in personal finance. The topic is why saving in a bank account is making you poorer. Make the tone conversational and engaging. Include a strong hook and a clear call to action. That level of detail produces a much better result. After ChatGPT gives me the draft, I read through it, remove anything robotic, add relevant examples, and sharpen the opening hook. This entire step takes 20 to 30 minutes per video, and the output is a complete ready-to-use script. Generating a voiceover for free: once the script is ready, the next step is turning it into audio. For this, I use 11 Labs on the free tier. They give you a limited number of characters per month on the free plan, which is enough for a few videos. You paste your script in, choose a voice that matches the tone of your channel, something professional but not robotic, and hit generate. The result sounds like a real human narration. If you run out of 11 Labs credits, there are alternatives. Murph AI has a free plan, and so does SpeakEye. You can also use the text-to-speech feature built into CapCut, which is completely free and has surprisingly natural-sounding voices. The key is to avoid voices that sound like they came out of a GPS device from 2009. Test a few different options and pick one that matches the personality of your channel. Once your audience gets used to a particular voice, it becomes part of your channel identity, so consistency matters here. Creating visuals without a camera: this is the part most people think will be the hardest, but it is actually one of the easiest steps once you know the right tools. For a faceless channel, your visuals come from several sources. Stock footage is your best friend. Pexels and Pixabay offer completely free video clips with no attribution required. For stylized or unique visuals, Canva's free plan lets you create graphics, text overlays, and thumbnail designs using hundreds of YouTube-specific templates. For AI-generated images, Microsoft Designer and Adobe Firefly both have free tiers that let you generate visuals from text prompts. If your topic involves futuristic concepts or abstract ideas where stock footage falls short, AI-generated images fill that gap perfectly. The combination of stock footage plus AI images plus Canva graphics is more than enough to make any video look polished and professional. Editing everything together for free. Now you have your voiceover and your visuals. The final step is putting it all together. I use CapCut Desktop, which is completely free and very capable. You drag in your audio track, then lay your video clips and images on top to match what is being said. CapCut also auto-generates subtitles from your audio, which is huge because a large portion of YouTube viewers watch without sound. Adding captions almost always boosts watch time. The editing formula for a faceless channel is simple. Show a relevant clip or image while the voiceover talks. Cut to new visuals every 3 to 5 seconds to hold attention. And add text on screen to highlight key points. You are not dealing with camera footage, color grading, or multiple angles, which means editing is much faster. A 10-minute video can be fully edited in under 2 hours once you know the workflow. Optimizing for search with free SEO tools, making the video, is only half the battle. If nobody finds it, it does not matter how good it is. I use TubeBuddy's free extension and vidIQ's free plan to research keywords before every upload. Before making a video, I type my topic into YouTube's search bar and note what autocomplete suggests. Then I check those keywords in TubeBuddy to see the competition and search volume. I want decent search volume with manageable competition. Once I have the right keywords, I build them into the title naturally, write a detailed description, and tag the video correctly. The thumbnail also matters enormously. I design mine in Canva using bold text and contrasting colors. A strong thumbnail is often the difference between a click and a scroll. These small optimizations compound over time. Every correctly optimized video becomes a permanent asset that can bring views for months or years. Staying consistent without burning out. The biggest mistake new YouTubers make is posting 3 videos in a week and then disappearing for a month. Consistency matters more than frequency. Even one well-made video per week is enough to grow a channel. With this AI workflow, producing 1 video per week is very manageable. I batch my work. I write 3 or 4 scripts in one sitting using ChatGPT, then handle all the voiceovers, then edit everything over a couple of days. This keeps a buffer of content ready so I am never scrambling. I also track what is working. After every video hits a few hundred views, I check the analytics to see which videos got the most clicks and which had the best watch time. That data tells me what my audience actually wants more of. Growing a channel is a process, and the creators who win are the ones who stay consistent long enough for the algorithm to reward them. You now have the complete blueprint for building a faceless YouTube channel using only free AI tools. There is no gear required, no face on camera, and no budget needed to get started. The tools exist, the audience is out there, and the only thing left is for you to take action. Start with 1 video. Pick your niche, write a script with ChatGPT, generate the voiceover, find stock footage, put it together in CapCut, and hit upload. That first video will teach you more than anything else ever could. If this breakdown helped you, subscribe to the channel because I share practical strategies like this regularly. No fluff, just things that actually work. Drop a comment below and tell me what niche you are thinking about. I read everything.